If it storms, this entire area could flash flood, fill up like an ocean, and potentially drown us all. Which is why we're going deep into the cave to set up base camp. This cave entrance may be beautiful, but looks can be deceiving. We didn't know it yet, but the next 7 days will by far be the hardest of our entire lives. Alright, it's gonna get dark in a couple hours. If we don't have a camp, we're screwed. We're just looking for flat ground to set up camp. Upon entering the mouth of the cave, we stumbled upon an area with high enough elevation to protect us from any flash flooding, meaning that it was perfect for camp. We spent the rest of day 1 grabbing our supplies that we were dropped with, and as you can see by the footage, we spent around 4 hours. This is very hard to traverse. Getting all of it back up to our base camp.